Hello everyone. Today shall discuss chapter 14, that is factorization. Here is the introduction. First of all, we find the factors of natural numbers. You remember that what you learnt about factors in class 6. Let us take a natural number, say 30, and write it as a product of other natural numbers, say 30 will 20 15, 3 into 10, 5 into 6. Thus 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30 are the factors of 30. Of these, 2, 3, 5 are the prime factors of 30. A number written as a product of prime factors is said to be in the prime factor form. For example, 30 can be written as 2 into 3 into 5 is in the prime factor form. The prime factor form of 70 is 2 into 5 into 7. The prime factor of 90 is 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 and so on. Similarly, we can express algebraic expressions as products of their factors. This is what we shall learn to do in this chapter. Factors of algebraic expressions. We have seen in class 7 that in algebraic expressions, terms are formed as products of factors. For example, in algebraic expression 5xy plus 3x, the term 5xy has been formed by the factors 5x and y, that is 5xy equal to 5 into x into y. Observe that the factors x5, xy or 5xy cannot further be expressed as a product of factors. We may say that 5x and y are the prime factors of 5xy. In algebraic expressions, we use the word irreducible in place of prime. In irreducible, we say that 5xy is the irreducible form of 5xy. Note 5xy is not an irreducible form of 5xy, since the factors xy can be further expressed as a product of x and y, that is xy equal to x into y. Next, consider expressions 3x into x plus 2. It can be written as a product of factors 3 into x and x plus 2, 3x into x plus 2, 3 into x plus 2. The factors 3x and x plus 2 are the irreducible factors of 3x into x plus 2. Similarly, the expression 10x into x plus 2 into y plus 3 is expressed in its irreducible factor form as 10x into x plus 2 into x plus y plus 3 is 25 into x plus 2 into y plus 3. And the question is, what is factorization? When we factorize an algebraic expressions, we write it as a product of factors. These factors may be numbers, algebraic variables, or algebraic expressions. Factors like 3xy, 5x squared y, 2x into y plus 2, 5 into y plus 1 into x plus 2 are already in factor form. Their factors can be just read off from them, as you already know. On the other hand, consider the expression like 2x plus 4, 3x plus 3y, x squared plus 5x, x squared plus 5x plus 6. It is not obvious what their factors are. We need to develop systematic methods to factorize the expressions, that is, to find their factors. This is what we shall do now. The method of common factors. We begin with a simple example. Factorize 2x plus 4. We shall write each term as a product of irreducible factors. 2x equal to 20x, 4 equal to 22, 2x plus 4, 2 into x plus 2 into 2. Notice the factors 2 is common to both the terms. Observe by distributive law 2x plus 2 is equal to 2x plus 2 into 2. Therefore, we can write 2x plus 4, 2 into x plus 2, 2 into x plus 2. Thus, the expression 2x plus 4 is the same as 2 into x plus 2. Now, we can read off its factor. They are 2 and x plus 2. These are irreducible forms. Next factor is 5xy plus 10x. The irreducible factors forms of 5xy and 10x are respectively 5xy equal to 5 into x into y, 10x equal to 2 into 5 into x. Observe that the two terms have 5 and x as common factors. Now, it can be written as 5x into y plus 2. Therefore, 5xy plus 10x, 5x plus into y plus 2, this is the desired factor form. Now, we'll solve some example. For this example, example 1, factorize 12a square b plus 15ab square. 12a square b can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into a into b and 15a b square can be written 3 into 5 into a into b into b. The two terms have 3 and a, b as common factors, or it can be written as 3ab into 4a plus 5b. Similarly, factorize 10x square minus 18x cube plus 14x4. 10x cube is 2 into 5 into x into x. 18x cube can be written as 2 into 3 into 3 into x into x into x. 14x to the power 4 into 2 into 7 into x to x, x into x into x into x. The common factors of three terms are 2, x and x. Therefore, 10x square minus 18x cube plus 14x4 is can be written as 2x cube into x 7x square minus 9x plus 5. In this, you can find the various factors. Now, factorization by regrouping terms. Look at the expression 2xy plus 2y plus 3x plus 3. You notice that the first two factors terms have common factors 2 and the last two terms have a common factor 3, but there is no single factor common to all the terms. How shall we proceed? Let us write 2xy plus 2y, 2 into x plus y, or plus 2 into y, 2 into y plus x plus 2 into y plus 1, or you can write 2x plus 2y plus x plus 2y into 1, or 2y into x plus 1. 3x plus 3, 3 into x plus 3 into 1, 3 into x plus 1 equal 3 into x plus 1. Therefore, we can write 2xy plus 2y plus 3x plus 3 is equal to 2x, 2y into x plus 1 plus 3 into x plus 1. Observe now, we have a common factor x plus 1 in both the terms on the right hand side. Combining the two terms, we are getting 2y into x plus 1, 3 into x plus 1, that is x plus 1 into 2y plus 3. The expression 2xy plus 2y plus 3x plus 3 is now in the form of product of factors. Its factors are x plus 1 and 2y plus 3. Note, these factors are irreducible. What is regrouping? Suppose the above expression was given as 2xy plus 3 plus 2y plus 3x, then it will not be easy to see the factorization. Rearranging the expression as 2xy plus 2y plus 3x plus 3 allows us to form groups 2xy plus 2y and 3x plus 3 leading to factorization. This is regrouping. Regrouping may be possible in more than one way. Suppose we regroup the expression as 2xy plus 3x plus 2y plus 3. This will also lead to factors. Let us try 2xy 2 into x into y plus 3x plus 2y plus 3, or x into 2y plus 3 plus 1 2y plus 3, 2y plus 3 into x plus 1. The factors are same as they have to be, although they appear in different order. Factorize 6xy minus 4y plus 6 minus 9x. Check if there is a common factor among all terms. There is none. Think of grouping. Notice that the first two terms have a common factor 2y. Therefore, take 2y as common 3x minus 2. What about the last two terms? Observe them. If you change their order to minus 9x plus 6, the factor 3x minus 2 will come out. Minus 3 and 3x minus 2. Putting a and b together, 6xy minus 4y minus plus 6x minus 9x for 6xy minus 4y minus 9x plus 6, or 2y into 3x minus 2 minus 3 into 3x minus 2, 3x minus 2 into 2y minus 3. The factors of 6xy minus 4y plus 6 minus 9x are 3x minus 2 and 2y minus 3. Right? In this way, you have to find the various factors. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.